Hello everyone, I'm Parag and welcome to my YouTube channel Design Bytes. Here I share simple practical Figma tips to help you design better and in a faster manner. In today's video, I'll show you how to design the scroll animation in a very smooth and faster manner only in Figma. So without wasting enough time, let's get started. Okay, so here we have our frame. Okay, in that we have put a heading just to give it a realistic look. Okay, so now we have to create a scroll animation. So for that we have these four rectangles. You can create as much rectangles or as much shapes you want. So for now I have created these four rectangles as I have to use it in my website as well. So let's select all of them. Okay, and just create auto layout here, or you can press shift A also, that is a shortcut for that. And let's place it on this rectangle. So please do not place it inside your frame, because if you'll put it inside your frame, so you will get some difficulty in clip contenting it. So for now I am placing it on the frame only. Okay, okay, so now let's go to, so let's just reduce the frame size. Select this rectangle and go to clip content, and then reduce this rectangle side. Okay, this much. Okay, because we want this much preview. And now we can place it into a rectangle. So that is like, you can press command X, or if you have Windows you can press control X, and then click on this frame and then command V or control V. Okay, that's it. You have done almost everything. And now what are we going to do here is, like, go to prototype, and here we have like overflow, no scrolling. So let's make it horizontal scroll, and here is scroll with parent. We can go to, like, okay, scroll, this much is enough, and go to design. Just see it by playing it. Okay, let's have a look how it looks. So yeah, just give me a second. So now when you will play, here it is a very smooth animation it is. So see how easy it was to give it a smooth animation. So that, okay, so that's it for today. If you like my video, go and hit the bell icon to get updates on these amazing Figma tips. Till then, keep designing, keep practicing. See you in my next Figma tip.